Hello, Mr. Clinton. How are you doing tonight, Mr. Clinton? I hope you're enjoying this new couch. I got a new scratching post for you, just in case your old ones were used up. I noticed that this new setup I got for you, you don't touch this at all. I could probably return this without a restocking fee, along with this one, because you never actually touch it. But this couch, how are you liking the new couch? I can already see some of your nails on it. There's another piece of your nail coming off right there. And look at that. Look, your claws are actually dug into it right now. You must be enjoying it. What do you think, boy? So what is it that I would have to do to get you to scratch one of these, which I purchased for the sole purpose of you not destroying my speakers or my furniture? Do you have some sort of sense where you can tell that this is the decoy and this is the valuable? Because I even thought, maybe, just maybe, if I keep the old couch instead of throwing it away, maybe I could keep this thing here as a decoy for you so that you would scratch that, you would get confused and maybe scratch that rather than scratch this. But you seem to have completely stopped scratching that and immediately moved on to scratching this. Clinton? Don't you whine like that at me. You know what I'm talking about.